Hi, my name is Atul Gupta, co-founder of Soccer Schools of Excellence, a football academy based in Mumbai since the last 5 years. We currently train close to 800 players all across the city. Our classes, they start for children as young as about 3.54, and then we go up to 18, 19-year-olds as well. All classes are age appropriate, so we have under 4 classes and under 5 classes, which we call the SSC Munchkins. The idea about these classes is not really teaching the fundamentals of the sport to the child, but it's more introducing football to them in a very fun manner. So we make them play a lot of different fun games, which works on their agility, balance, coordination, and their overall fitness. Coming to the under 6 and under 8 age groups, this is when we introduce the fundamentals of the sport to them, like passing, shooting, dribbling, running with the ball, etc. Once the kids hit 9, 10, 11, 12, that's when we focus on making sure their fundamentals are absolutely correct. We polish their skills, and most importantly, we teach them that football is a team sport and they need to get out of the ambit of just playing it individually. In terms of our academy, how we try and be different from other options in the city is our coaching team. All our coaches are experienced coaches. They all are thorough footballers. And what I mean by that is that they've all played and lived the sport. They've all played domestically, or some of them have even represented the country. And just to wrap it up, I think the best achievement that we've had so up to date is about this boy called Kumar. He was 11 when he joined SSC. He's 15 now, and he's leaving for Germany next week. He's an underprivileged child who's got an opportunity, a 6-year opportunity to train with a club in Germany called TSG Hoffenheim. The entire training program, his education, everything is paid for, and we're happy that we could be part of his story. Along with his school, along with his parents at home, I'm sure he's got great support with them. But the fact that SSC could be part to help Kumar go where he is going to go today, I think that is why we are involved in football. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Swati Fad and my son is Krishev Fad. He's playing here since 1 year, and I would like to give 4.5 stars. I would suggest you all to put your kids here because these coaches are very nice, very friendly, and I have tried so many other classes, but my son didn't enjoy at all. But this class, he waits for the Tuesday and Thursday for this class, and he enjoys thoroughly. So I would like to tell everyone, please join this class. It's very nice, trust me. Thank you.
This class because my daughter is not very sporty and she's not very bold, but she enjoys coming here. So I think it's because the difference is in the coaches. The coaches are very enthusiastic, and they give personal attention. They know each and every child's name, and I appreciate that. My daughter's doing this since just a couple of weeks. This is probably her 5th class. Yeah, but she's really enjoying it.